I'm Sarah Engel, welcome to the Queendom, and today we are making Star Wars peanut butter cups. This is specifically for Father's Day, but they don't have to be for Father's Day. I just know that my dad tends to like to eat his presents. And last year, my dad and I actually made non-edible Star Wars Father's Day gifts together. So you can also check out that video in the description, as well as links to all of these supplies and ingredients that I'm gonna use today to make these Star Wars peanut butter cups. If your dad is allergic to peanuts, you could substitute this with almond butter, cashew butter, probably not just butter, but some kind of butter, or you can just do these as solid chocolate balls if you really want. So let's get started. I'm gonna use my Jedi mind powers to summon the ingredients. We've got chocolate chips, both the regular milk chocolate and the white chocolate kind. Very cool. We've got peanut butter. Whoops. This would work better if I could catch. Totally my Jedi mind powers. All right, so here we have some silicone molds, and they're fun Star Wars shaped silicone molds. You'll know from some of my other DIYs that I'm a big fan of silicone molds because you can do all sorts of things with them. We have Han Solo frozen in carbonite, little X-Wings, Darth Vader heads, R2-D2s, Stormtroopers, Millennium Falcons, and Boba Fett heads. And is that like the mandalorian symbol thing? What is that? Oh, and you know what else we have over here? Death Star. We can make an actual peanut butter filled chocolate Death Star. That sounds amazing. We also have confectioner's sugar. We'll also need some refined coconut oil. I didn't use it all the way. Can we do that one more time? Some salt. All right, so I'm gonna need a half cup of some chocolate chips. They're also on the floor now. Half a cup. We'll also want to add a little bit of coconut oil since we're putting these into silicone molds. Make sure, unless you want it to be coconut flavored, that you use refined coconut oil. I'm just gonna do a little scoop, stir it around a little bit, and you can either heat this up in a double boiler, but in my case, I'm gonna just heat this up in the microwave. I'm gonna heat this up in 30-second intervals, stirring it up each time until it's a nice gooey consistency. All right, so I just microwaved each of these for 30 seconds, stirred it all up, microwaved it for another 30 seconds each, stirred them all up again, and now we are good to pour them into the silicone molds. I'm excited for this. So let's see which ones we wanna do here. All right, so I'm gonna start by scooping some of this white chocolate ooziness into a Stormtrooper head. And we're just covering, we're not filling the whole thing up because we're not doing solid chocolate. So we're just getting like the bottom part really. Kind of play it around. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna just kind of coat that outside. That works, okay. And then we're gonna freeze it. And once it's all hard, then we're gonna put peanut butter in. You're gonna wanna make sure that it's completely cooled before you put the peanut butter in. Otherwise, the peanut butter is going to seep through it. And it'll still taste good, but it won't be as pretty. That should be good enough. I say that like as I go and add another scoop. All right, now I'm going to put this one in the freezer. At least this year I'm not making him make his Father's Day present with me like last year. All right, I've just made sure that all of the sides are completely coated in our milk chocolate here. And I'm gonna put these in the freezer too. Oh, R2-D2. so cute. And if you want, I'm not going to, but you could even get really fancy with it. And you could take some luster dust on a little paintbrush and paint some blue, maybe in a little red where his little red dot is. R2-D2 is such a feisty droid.
You're a feisty little one, but you'll soon learn some respect.
My dad will definitely like the X-Wings because he's a pilot. And we used to play Rogue Squadron together and he would fly, especially the X-Wings. Okay, we got 5 of those. Millennium Falcon should definitely be white because that's much closer to a gray. All right, Millennium Falcons are coated.
What a piece of junk!
Now for the Death Star. Now for some mandalorians. Now I can mix up some peanut butter. Now I need 1 cup of peanut butter. So next I'm supposed to add a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. All right, and now I just need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I just had to use the force, or use more force. Just mixing it all up here. Just keep stirring, stirring, stirring. What do? We stir, 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 stir. Hello, peanut butter. My arm is actually getting tired from this. This should be good enough here. All right, I'm back with some of these right out of the freezer. And I am going to stuff some peanut butter inside of them. We've got these pretty well filled up with peanut butter. So I'm gonna fill up some more. We might have a lot of extra peanut butter. We'll see. That Death Star was pretty hollow, so we'll see. All right, now I just need to fill up the rest of these peanut butter cups with some more chocolate so that the bottom is sealed in. Now I'm gonna put each of these back in the freezer, and then when they're done, they should be peanut butter cups. Taste the rainbow. Yes, we could. Okay, we'll hide a Skittle in one of the Millennium Falcons. It's a tracking device hidden in one of the Millennium Falcons. All right, now for the Death Star, I've got to put some peanut butter inside this bag, and we're gonna try and pipe it through. We're gonna see if this works. Got a bad feeling about this. It does appear to be working, so that's a good sign.
That's a good trick.
All right, so we've waited for an hour, and now our Star Wars peanut butter cups should be ready to take out of the fridge, or freezer in my case, and we're gonna test them out before we give them to my dad. All right, so I'm going to attempt to break the stormtroopers out first, since they seem like they theoretically should be easy, because they don't have any weird little breaky parts. Oh, they look good. I am pleased. I am very pleased. It's working! It's working! Oh my goodness. These are really good. Oh, they look so good. Yay! Okay, we've got little stormtrooper heads. They are definitely a win. No fails here. Oh, this is awesome. They're really, really cute. Oh, they look so good. Okay, I'm really happy. My dad's gonna love these. Oh, Redley, you're standing by. My dad's going to be impressed.
Most impressive.
R2, your foot! Your foot! Yeah, okay, let's get his foot out. Other than that, he's really good. He's so detailed. That's crazy. Oh, it's just like this. Oh yeah, because it's just way down. I could see how that would come off. Oh! It looks so good. Oh! That looks so good. Okay, the Millennium, and I crashed it. Okay, now the Death Star. Okay, so I think you're supposed to be able to just like peel it apart, I think. Oh. Death Star. Okay. It looks like Jabba the Hutt! His face. I'm like crying like really hard. Oh man. Okay, let's see if I can get this out. Oh, hey, hey. Hey, hey. It is just like Death Star 2. It's just a little bit broken. Oh, oh. I got him out. Oh, this is supposed to be the bottom. I'm sorry, Jabba. You're going in. Why did I put the cracked part right in the part everybody wants to see? Here they are. I am so happy with how these came out, and I think my dad's gonna be really happy too. They came out better than I thought they would. Like, the Death Star has seen better days, but you know, the Death Star has also seen better days. And I love that we've got like Rogue Squadron over here, and they're going in an attack formation with the Millennium Falcon to take out Jabba the Hutt inside the Death Star. They're really good. They're really good. 2 thumbs up. I would eat several more, but they're for my dad, so I can't do that. So happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there, especially my dad, since you're not here today to make DIYs with me. I hope you guys enjoy making these for your dads too. If you do make some, you should send me pictures, tag me in them on Instagram so that I can see. In the comments, tell me who your favorite Star Wars character is. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more fun videos like this, and ring the bell if you actually want to be notified when they come up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and may the Force be with you. That was an awkwardly long pause. This is so much fun. You might also like a little whisk. Whoa! A little whisk. A little whisk. If Frozone wore a sparkly dress and had a really big like powerhouse song, he could be as popular as Elsa. I'm just saying.